Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Prime Coding. I am Aditya and today we have an exciting news to share with you all. As you can see, TCS NQT 2025 free announced. Okay, what does this mean is TCS has started hiring for 2025 batch through on campus and they have launched everything regarding the eligibility, how you need to fill the form and what are roles and how much compensation that they are providing. So without wasting time, let's start this exciting video because I know that you are waiting for this opportunity to clear it up, is it? So now, offers that they are offering is offer category is undergraduate and postgraduate. For prime role, 9 LPA for undergraduate and 11.5 LPA for postgraduate. Okay, following with the digital, 7 LPA and 7.3 LPA for postgraduate students. Ninja profile is given 3.3 LPA and 3.5 LPA for postgraduate. Great. The offers is pretty clear to us. Now the important points that you should look into is student only from the year of passing 2025 may apply and the same should reflect in their TCS application form. Yes, TCS usually take their exam in two phases. Firstly, when comes for on-campus things. After that, they will have a second cycle too, where throughout pan India you can refill it or you can upgrade your profile and much more. If you by chance got a digital profile, let's say in this on-campus opportunity, then you have a chance to get your profile promoted to prime. Okay, similar kind of thing. I took the podcast with Sanchit, who was previously got digital profile through on campus and after writing TCS NQT again he got prime role. If you have not watched that podcast, you can just head over to our Prime Coding channel. You can find a podcast of prime interview. Okay, now student must register and complete the TCS application form in the TCS Next Step portal in the T section and the TCS reference ID should be present in the Excel sheet. Okay guys, please, the important points are there because I get a number of problem like bhaiya I am getting this particular things, how I need to do, what is the procedure of filling all this. Guys, try to understand each and every point very crystal clearly so that you can fill your form accordingly. Students need to register and apply for drive on this link, which is text.tcs.com/. And you might be wondering, Aditya, from where you have got this notification? I will highly recommend you guys join our Telegram group. The link would be in the description or you can ask us in the comment section. We'll definitely provide you. Okay, many of the students are getting issue of joining the Telegram, but it is not that issue. Either you are not integrated the Telegram app with your Chrome, that's why it might be the issue, or else you just copy the link, paste it over the Chrome and good to go, you will join our Telegram group. Or I will share you the next pointer also how you can do that the same. Now all students must ensure that they use their personal email ID to register in TCS Next Step portal, not the institute email ID. Please mark this point guys. Many of the people doing the same silly mistake. Don't use your university ID, use your personal ID. Now, important point 5th. Email ID cannot be changed once submitted. Okay, the CT and DT reference ID should be starting from this to 2024 only. Old CTDT ID you will get when you are filling the application. Great. So in case students have old this, which means the previous batches. Okay, so you need to follow the 8th point. Without wasting time, the 9th point, students should fill up the application form correctly, verify the detail before submitting it. Okay, because I myself got n number of doubt where people is continuously asking me, sir, I have filled my name wrong, I have did spelling mistake there. Don't do that guys. It would be blunder mistake if you have did this in your filling your application. Okay, and make sure that their status in TCS Next portal is angry for drive students and check this by visiting the track my application tab and so on. 10th point is information retrieved from ICS application form and all. We would not able to batch students if their TCS application form is incomplete. So see, the batch status is already created and mentioned here. If your application is not complete, your application will go inside the batch status. Now please do sanitize the candidate data and eliminate any ineligible profiles. Great. Process. student to visit https next portal. This link is there. Now, where you find this link? Guys, if you are directly typing this link on the web browser, you will not able to put your details there, because all these links you need to check or select your college details there. So if in few of the colleges got this particular notification, those they can able to fill their details, but hold on, wait for few more weeks, you will get this notification in your college too, because TCS usually hire from all of the colleges. Yes, so click on register now, choose the category as TT, fill up the details to get reference ID, proceed with the complete application form and click on apply for drive. Now the thing is eligibility, you need to know about the eligibility. Courses and disciplines, student from the batches of 2025 with mentioned highest qualification, okay, across all disciplines, any of the branches or any of the courses. Departments or streams may apply Bachelor's of Technology, which is BTech, Bachelor's of Engineering, which is BE, and Masters of Technology, which is MTech. For this the prime role is 11 LPA. Okay, Masters of Science, which is MSc, which is a advanced version of BSc, Engineering ME, and Masters of Computer, which is MCA, and Masters of Science. All these eligibility criteria is clearly mentioned here, so don't mess up with the Telegram group like, bhaiya, let me know the eligibility, I am from BCA, I am from MCA, I am eligible to that or not. Guys, you are not eligible. The eligibility is clearly mentioned here. Please pause this video and read it again. Okay, so course type, only full-time courses will be considered, part-time or corresponding course will not be considered. It is not like that you are pursuing your degree from any online courses, it is not considered. Only the full-time courses would be considered here. Now eligibility, students who have completed their secondary and senior secondary courses from National Institute of Open Schooling are also eligible to apply for this. It may be you have did your engineering stuff or graduation stuff from IGNOU, you can also apply here. Percentage would be minimum 60% or 6 CGPA. Guys, if you have less than 6 CGPA, you are not eligible for this opportunity. Throughout academics, including the highest qualification till the last semester of which the result have been declared at the time of appearing now for the test process. If selected, the offer will be valid only if the provisional degree certificate clearly states. So it might be you are in 7th semester currently, but when you qualified for this round, you need to submit the PDC, which is provisional degree certificate, or the transcript from your colleges. Okay, not like you have not received degree now and can you able to join. You can, but you need to receive the PDC from your respective college. Now the student has cleared the engineering in first class after completing the course and the time of joining. Great. So see, student has cleared the engineering in first class, matlab first division, not the second division. So if you have cracked through first class, you are eligible. Chill and have this opportunity in your hand. Now backlogs and arrears. So the students should not have backlogs more than 11 or 1. It is written 1 pending or active backlogs at a time of appearing TCS. So you don't have any active backlogs when you are appearing for TCS. If selected, no pending backlogs will be permitted at the time of joining TCS. All pending backlogs areas should be cleared within the course duration stipulated by the university. You don't need to clear all your backlogs after your degree. Okay, so gap break would be, it is mandatory to declare the academic gaps in the application itself. You will get an option how many years of education gap you have. So you need to declare that honestly, because they can fetch out. Okay, so if any during the period of education, a break in education should not exceed. Okay, so 2 years of gap is eligible for this opportunity. Okay, so if you have 2 years, not an issue. So now it is permissible only for valid reasons. Relevant document proof as applicable will be checked for gaps in the education. So gap is basically a trendy question which they usually ask in their TCS NQT interview as well. Now eligibility will be work experience with a prior work experience of up to 2 years. Up to 2 years are eligible to apply for this hiring. Okay, so if you have 2 years of experience, you can still apply. Okay, so let's say it is for 2025 batch, so 2024 and 2023 batch is also eligible in the college. Okay, so applicable only for due to extended education examination cleared and time stipulated by board and university grade. So a student age should be 18 to 28 years. You should not more than 28 years or less than 18 years. Okay, so all these eligibility is taught very nicely from by me, so that you will not have any silly mistakes in your mind. Without wasting time, let's see the test pattern. So part A would be foundation skills, foundation section, where numerical ability, verbal ability, reasonable ability, and advanced section contains quantitative reasoning ability and coding questions of duration 90 minutes. Okay, so for this section guys, prime coding is created to help the TCS guy only in the very beginning. Now we are covering a large amount of students now, but TCS, we have a great success rate. Same questions are coming from our playlist only. I have solved n number of shifts problem. All shift problems are solved, and there also I have told this question came from my this video. This question came from my this playlist. So yes, if you want to crack this TCS, you just need to follow my playlist, and yes, you will grab the offer. Now, why I'm telling you is, one-to-one mock session, I have 99% of success rate guys, success rate in this particular TCS NQT stuff, because and at my website, which is www.primecoding.in, as we are here on our primecoding.in website guys, you can see elevate your career with prime coding. Okay, so now Aditya Mishra, this is me. Now you can see we have n number of feedbacks given by our students, and looks what, we have a success story guys. We have n number of success stories. We are still collecting it, and in one go we usually upload all the cards. So yes, we have n number of success story for TCS guys. So if you are aiming for TCS, prime coding is the last stop. If you need, all content are available for free, and session you just need to take 1 or 3 session and see guys, and see you will ace. Like see, Javed also trusted us for the digital role. So what you are waiting for? You just head on to this particular thing. You just need to click on any of this stuff, then choose what you are aiming from, whether digital, prime, anything. If you have qualified for anything, or you want to take session of prime, whether you are prepared for prime or not, we are welcoming you. Will give you in detail feedback, in detail resume review, and see what all will be provided in your mock session. And see, after the mock session you will nail your interview, because I have mentored n number of students, more than 100 applicants, and I have cleared them all. Everyone, 99% people got selected from our role without rejections. Okay, without rejections. If they selected for digital, they got digital. If they selected for prime, many of the students didn't rejected. Okay, so they got digital but not rejected from the recruitment drive. So what I'm waiting for, you will definitely ace your seat with prime coding. Now 100 plus successful sessions with many plays practice today and conquer tomorrow. Great. So TCS playlist is already available on my channel. You just need to head over to this playlist and start your preparation. As you can see, 1000 plus analyzed questions from previous 5-6 years. I have clubbed all together and created a 1000 question sheet and uploaded in my Telegram group. So see, you name it and you will find on the Telegram group or prime coding channel. Resources, see the salary you can expect in hand, all the shift problems and interview experience you can find on our channel, as well as most asked coding question, technical question, HR question, SQL question, you name it, you will find on the Telegram group or on our website or on our YouTube channel. Basically you will find everything on our YouTube channel. From the channel you can go to the Telegram or you can go to the website. Okay, so thanks for watching this video till now. If you are watching, please subscribe it, like this video and share with your batchmates so that they can also do something in their career. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.